Hello, this is me again. This is another update, and today is still January 25th, 2023, and it's about 8:27 in the morning. And right now they're putting up maybe a gate that people cannot go in there. Yep. They're gonna put all the gold carts in it. Racing carts like they use for like the racing, like the Soulbox Derby. I'm waiting for like the snow. Yep. Well, that's a very short update video I'm just giving you, and please comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other previous construction videos. Until then, I'll give you like a little bit more updates a little later. Bye.